Next question comes from Andrew. Andrew, would you recommend that homebrewers should push cleaning solution forward and reverse through their counterflow chillers? This is in reference to the new tutorial video that I have on cleaning my heat exchanger that gives you the full process of what we were doing at Cartridge Brewing in order to clean our heat exchanger. So yeah, I mean, if you can clean that thing forward and backward, I would. It is interesting sometimes when you do that, you can see that you're getting some things in and out of there that maybe you didn't think you were getting, that would potentially still be hiding in there. And especially when it comes to really a chiller of any kind. If you have wort making contact with metal, it wouldn't be a bad idea to run it forward and backwards a little bit. You never quite know how the turbulence will form inside those chambers. Sometimes when you're dealing with maybe some homemade things, because I know people have some DIY skills on that side, you never quite know how turbulence is building or any imperfections that is on the inside portion of that metal that the wort is flowing through. So yeah, I mean, I think so. I think I think it's a great way to just kind of double check something that you might not always be able to break apart or anything like that. Flow in both directions is always a plus when it comes to cleaning. So yes, Andrew, thank you for the question. I have some little babies that aren't quite happy out there. The number 5 and 6 out there have not been. It's been a difficult adjustment going back to school because my other kids are up, busy with homework. We're getting home a little bit later from school after practices. And so the bedtime has been a struggle for the little ones. So hopefully it goes well out there. But, I mean, Mrs. Adam makes beer is the real deal. She's as good as it gets. So if there's any mom out there that can handle it, it's her. What's good? What's up? I mean, what's up?
All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. If you feel as if you got any value out of the video, please like and subscribe. There are also other videos that you can watch. They're gonna maybe be over here or over here. Appreciate you watching.